Welcome back to Cultivating Contentment. We are on week 7, day 2 of our study, and this week's topic is a way of seeing. Our scripture today comes from Genesis 21:19. Then God opened her eyes, and she saw a well of water. So she went and filled the skin with water and gave the boy a drink. I think it's really interesting because she didn't see that well of water until God opened her eyes. Did it just spring up out of nowhere? Or what caused her to be able to see that once God opened her eyes? Our quote for today comes from Sheila Walsh. There is so much in life that is wonderful, and it's not too late to be kind. It's not too late to be loving. It's not too late to tell the truth, to be honest. It's not too late to pray. It's not too late to tell your children that you love them. It's not too late to tell the Lord that you love Him. So live with no regrets, make sure you don't put these kind of things off until it's too late. Question 3, your perspective on life is sharpened when you remember that even your trials have a purpose in your spiritual growth. How does Jesus' younger brother describe this usefulness in James 1:2-4? And question 4, contentment depends largely on how much you trust God. Seeing life from His perspective helps us to keep our perspective. Do you recall all the disappointments and tragedies that filled the life of Joseph? If anyone could have raised the cry of unfair, it was him. But what perspective did he hold on to in Genesis 50:20? So I look forward to your responses, and stay safe, stay healthy, and I will talk to you tomorrow, and blessings to you.